How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you I'm going to be showing you my new daily driver. This is the car I've been talking about for a while. In a few of my past videos I've always said I'm going to get myself a diesel, something more economical for work so I can actually save for the weekend car that I want. So today I'm going to be sticking on the new number plates. I'm going to give it a clean off camera. At some point I will do a full video of my whole cleaning routine. So yeah, I'm going to give you a walk around of the car, tell you about the car itself, a bit, the spec level, show you the exterior, the interior, which is bloody lovely, and yeah, let's get on with it. There she is. Now I've got myself a German whip. Just ready for the comments, all the dislikes. Don't forget though, this isn't my actual project car. This is just, to get me from A to B, a nice car for work, something economical. As you can see, it's bloody mint. So I've got a BMW 320D, 2-litre diesel, M Sport. So you've got all the M Sport trim level basically. It's a bit sportier. You've got M Sport suspension, anti-roll bars. This thing is so weird going from a front-wheel drive car with quite a lot of power to a torquey rear-wheel drive car. It's so alien to me. I'm still getting used to it. But the suspension and the ride of this quality, the ride quality is amazing. It's like you're glued to the road. It's a different level. I never lowered my ST, so you got quite a lot of body roll. I just had standard anti-roll bars too, but this is like it's glued to the road. It's so nice to drive, so smooth, bloody awesome on fuel. You're getting I've got this from up in Plymouth pretty much. Shout out to George if you're watching this, GCM. Yeah, so about an hour and a half home, and I was doing about 50 odd to the gallon, which is bloody ridiculous. So happy with it. So standard power, you've got 184 brake horsepower and 280 foot-pounds of torque, which is quite a lot of torque. These cars are pretty tunable. You can bring them up to about 230 or 220 brake on a stage one, and the torque, I can't even remember. It's quite a lot of torque. I've got no intentions of doing any performance upgrades to this. A lot of cosmetic stuff. I've already got some stuff in the house ready to fit, which I'll obviously film and stick on the channel. But like I said, I'm going to keep this as economical and as reliable as possible. I keep telling myself I'm going to keep it standard, and I'm pretty sure I am. But in the back of my mind, I still want to fiddle around with the engine a little bit. But no, I don't think I'm going to. I still, like I keep saying, I'm getting my weekend car for all that fun stuff and all the power. But yeah. As you can see, guys, the inside is clean as hell. Full leather seats, heated seats, all electric. Bloody awesome sound system. And one of the best parts about it, if you're a proper lazy bastard, we've just done a brutal shoulder session in the gym, put your key in, have a look at your seatbelt, and it bloody gives it to you. So yes, for all the lazy bastards, but I quite like it. I'm not going to give you a proper walk around until I've washed it. I'm going to go do that now off camera and have a good walk around of the car, because as you can see, it is absolutely filthy. Right, it is now a few hours later and the car is gleaming. They're 19-inch rims for anyone wondering. 255s on the rear and 225s on the front, staggered fitment. It's taken me ages to clean up underneath the original number plates. There's loads of gum and loads of crap, and the paint's slightly corroded. Because the original plates were metal, it's been vibrating against the front, leaving a little bit of marks, but it's not too bad. It polishes up all right. If there's anybody in the comments, it'd be really handy if you can tell me what you've used to cover up the original screw holes where the original number plate would have been kept. In America, there's a company called Bumper Plugs, but I don't want to pay all the delivery money to get it here in the UK. But yeah, she's gleaming now. Such a smart looking car as well. I love how they look, especially the e92 coupe. Right, it's now time to whack on my private plates. If you're an OG and you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I had these on my Mark II Focus ST previously. These plates are made by Plate Father, which are absolutely amazing. Such good quality plates. I've gone for the 4D hybrid rather. So it's like the Perspex, 3D Perspex with gel over the top. So that's super in your face 3D. Some people hate them, some people love them. I think they're pretty smart. I like to be different. Originality, eh? All the links to Plate Finder will be in the description. And before you ask, this isn't any sort of paid promotion. They did help me out, and they make cracking plates. You might as well get yourself some. I'll strip off the old adhesive and I'll get back to you when the new pads are on. That's the front one on. They make the car look so much smarter, especially the fact that they're small. The 4D shape looks mint against the black bodywork. I've got LED number plate lights to fit as well, to replace these orangey OEM ones. So that's both fitted and installed. Right guys, I'm going to wrap up the video there. It's now a few days later. After I fitted the number plates, it started raining really badly and I've been so busy since. But yeah, this video was just to give you a brief understanding of what the car I've got. I owed my returning subscribers a video showing you what I've bought for work. I've got a lot of plans and tutorials for this video, like I said, especially cosmetic things. And for anybody in the comments, please give me some advice on BMWs. I'm very clued up on them, so any advice is appreciated. And for anybody new who's watching the channel today, please make sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you next week. Peace.